Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to bead on a dress. So we're going to be making this simple design. It is beginner friendly, very easy to make. We're just going to be running it through without wasting much time. So if you're trying to learn beading, you can start with this simple beading. Okay, so let's get right into the class. So I'm going to be showing you guys two methods of putting this bead on a dress. Okay, so I have with me here the one I've already done. It is a sample I'm going to be showing you guys. So the clothes I'm actually working with is very thick, so this method is not working on the clothes, so I'm using the second method. Okay, so I have two types of bead here. The one in the plate has a hole. It has a hole. You can use needle to pass thread there and to sew it, while the one in the bottle does not have a hole. Okay, so the one that has a hole is going to be used with needle and thread, while the one that doesn't have a hole, I call it pearls, is going to be used on the machine. Okay, so use the machine to put the one that doesn't have a hole, and then use a needle and thread for the one that has a hole. Okay, so let's try out the machine one first. So for the one that doesn't have a hole, you're going to be needing a pin. So this pin, it has a smooth part, and then it has a kind of chuku part. chuku. So like thorns, so just take a look at it. This is how it looks like. It has a flat surface, and then the pointy part. So the pointy part is going to be on top, while the flat part is going to be on that directly inside the machine. Okay, so you're just going to pick the pearls and insert it on this part of the machine, just like you see me do. Though this particular dice is not the size of this pearls, it's kind of loose. Okay, so I'm just using this for illustration. And then you're just going to press it, like clip, as if you're clipping it. No, you just clip it and it clips together. Okay, so you can see how it looks like. So let me show you the second method. The second method is what I am doing now. I'm using my needle and thread. So all you need to do is to tie or knot your thread, like make a strong stitch where you're going to be starting from, and then you pass the thread from the wrong side. Like, remember, you're going to be making this tie at the wrong side, and then pass the needle to the front side of your dress where you're putting the bead. Okay, so then you're just going to take in like 3 beads, just like you see me do. Take 3 beads and then give small space and then tack it inwards. Okay, so then you're going to pass the thread, like don't make it to be too tight or too loose. Then pass the thread from under, in between the second to the last and the last bead. Okay, just pass it through them and then insert the needle through the last bead. So you're just trying to make it stronger and firm, so it doesn't, like, pull out or something. And then you take the next 3 beads again, just like that. Three beads. If you take 3, you tack it in, and then bring out the needle from under, in between the last bead and the second to the last bead, and then you pass it through the last bead again. So you just keep going like that. But before you do this, make sure you've ruled a line where you want to follow. If you're making a straight line, you first of all draw the straight line. If you're making a design, like different designs, first of all use your chalk or pencil or pens to mark your designs before you start beading. Okay, kindly give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. So you pass it in between the last bead and the second to the last bead, and then you pass your needle back to the last bead. It helps it to be firm, and then it means you have really tacked it in place. See how neat it's looking, very beautiful. And then you take in the 3 beads again, just like that, and like that, and like that. Seriously, I enjoyed doing this. It was so fun for me. Like, I loved it, even though it was just a bit stressful, but I liked the outcome. So this is how it looks like. It was made with so much love for a baby girl for her graduation ceremony. And we also made one for her sister. I think I should just put up the picture here. Yeah, that's the picture on the screen, the green color of it, the same style, the same beading for the elder sister. I post sewing hack videos and DIY videos on my channel. Do well to watch them, showing on the screen or in my channel. You're going to learn a lot from them. See you in my next one. Bye.